Hey everyone, Soren here with Carmel Powersports in Provo. Today we're taking a look at the 2027 Polaris RMK Factory Edition, one of the most aggressive sleds made by Polaris. We're lucky enough to have one here, so let's take a look. Up front, you can see the aggressive stance, lightweight mount design. This is built on the Matrix RMK platform, designed for strength, control, and deep snow maneuverability. One of the biggest upgrades for 2027 is the reinforced rails. These rails are about 40% stronger than standard RMK rails, built to handle hard landings, impacts, and aggressive riding without flex. This sled comes with either the Patriot 9R or Patriot Boost, both delivering strong throttle response and serious mountain power, depending on your riding style. This sled is equipped with the WER Velocity Hi-Lo factory shocks, front and rear. These are premium shocks designed for deep snow performance and maximum control in rough terrain. This model runs a 155 3.25 Series 9, but also comes in the 2.75 Series 8 track. Weighs about 452 pounds dry. Carries an 11-gallon fuel tank, light enough for technical riding, but with range for long mountain days. In the cockpit, you get a 7S display, Pro Taper handlebars, heated grips and throttle, plus a 12-volt outlet for accessories. Now, who is this sled for? This sled is built for serious mountain riders who push hard, ride steep terrain, and want top-tier factory components right out of the box. And that's it. That's the 2027 Polaris RMK Factory Edition. If you want to put your name on, give me a call down here at Carmel Powersports in Provo. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what you want to see next.